Do you need help? Okay. Alrighty. What do you say? Yes. What is it? Oh, hold the hand. Okay, hold the hand. It's Thursday, everyone. Morning. We are taking the parrots to school, and at the same time, we're going to Lily's. Yeah, you hold here. Oh, hold there. Yeah. Like that, okay? Okay. Say, hi guys. I have my water bottle. Yeah, you hold this one. You don't want? Okay. Go, go, go. Come, let's go. It's waiting na, come on. Tingnan niyo ang outfit ni Baby Cylinder. Yung kanyang dress ay from last year. Sinuot niya to nung nagpa-picture kami ng ano. Oh, you wanna hold mama? Ay, hold mama kasi ba ito? Ano na malitag yung mataan? Kung matagal ka, bukol. Yes, baby. Good question.
I really want to.
I know. You have to.
Jungle Zoo, I really want to. They rhyme.
They do rhyme. Nya, guys, makakalimutan ako eh. So yun na nga guys, yung dress na to is from Christmas last year. And then, mukhang top na siya. Pinasuot ko sa kanya kasi nakita ko ba. Akala ko kasya pa, but no, Celine has grown a lot for the last year. Okay. So nilagyan ko ng pants. Umiiyak siya guys kasi ayaw niya ng pants. So niya dress lang. Ba, makita naman niya ang lubot kung hindi ko siya lagyan ng pants. Tingnan niyo. Super cute naman ang baby. Say hi here lang. Hey. Morning.
Good morning.
You going to school? Come on, Inday. Ayaw pa niya ipagawa sa akin yung buhok niya. Natanggal niya yung tali. Like, she's facing the mirror. Tapos ginaganon-ganon niya ang kanyang buhok ba. Ganyan niya, oh. Kasi gusto niyang patanggal. Itong batang to, eh. Marunong ng, ano eh. Hindi sumunod sa gusto ng magulang. Okay, go to your side. Go to your side. Come on. Good girl. Give Ate a kiss. Come on. Ayan na. Hey, come on. Nini, give Ate a kiss na. Ang karo. No. Okay, maldita. Hindi siya karong malawa ba? I love you, anak. Go with it. You have a good day, okay? I'll see you this afternoon. Say bye-bye, Lini. Ati's going. Bye-bye.
No.
No, you go.
No. No way.
Go. Ala, malita ka siya karong mantaga again. Go now. Have a good day. I love you. Ikaw ba? Maldita kang bata ka.
Mom.
Yeah, come on, let's go to playgroup.
I can play.
Yeah, we'll go to playgroup.
Okay.
Okay.
Playgroup.
Playgroup. Well done. Set?
Um.
Aw, tingnan niyo guys, binigay niya sa akin, sabi niya, Mom, heart, love you. Aw, itong aking anak talaga eh. Ito kami sa cafe. Psst. 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 Psst.
This is my friend Jovi and I can't remember the name.
Sure, Mama? Ayan. La. Tingnan nyo. La. Nakla, we missed the thing lang. Singing. Can you hear it, guys, inside? They're singing now. Itong isa, gustong maglaro dito. Good morning, good night. Oh, what's the color of this?
Wait.
This one. Oh no, the shoes came off. Pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, na. Tusok na.
Guys.
What did you say?
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Alam na niya guys. I just turned on the camera. Alam na niya kung ano sasabihin. Hi guys. Welcome. Don't touch the screen. Say welcome.
Welcome
Yeah. Back
back
to
to
our
our
channel.
channel.
Kakagising lang ito guys from her nap. Alam niya ba? Kung hindi ako bumangon, ay hindi siguro ito pa siya magigising muna. Lululul. Water, would you like water? Water.
No water.
Kasi, nag-move siya. Siguro napansin niya na, uy, wala mo na. Ay, ayun na, anak. Uy, ayun na lang. Kasi it's very, see, it's bleach spray. It's very strong. Not good for our skin, okay?
Water.
Yeah, water.
It's water too. It's water.
At,
It's
hindi niya ako
water.
nakita.
It's
Kung gising niya,
water.
nagising.
It's water. It's
That was very
water.
quick na.
It's water.
That's not water. I'll give you water if you want to drink water.
No,
Here, would you like water in your water bottle?
no.
That's coconut water. Hang on, sit down properly there because you might fall. Here, Mama will grab it for you. Yeah. So, we'll just make something to eat. Anong oras ba ngayon? Alauna. Siya, tita ba drinking coconut water. Yay! Good girl. Big girl naman ikaw, anak ko eh. Did you have fun at the playgroup this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you play a lot?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Pink.
Yeah, what your favorite, like, was the driving the car or the slide? Which one?
Red.
Which one?
Red.
Red.
I like to.
Napansin niyo ba guys? Iba yung boses ko kasi I sound like a frog kasi merong Makati yung lalamunan ko guys. It started with Ate Paris, paubo-ubo. Sabi ko, anak, cover your mouth kapag ubo ka. So ito, luckily, hindi pa niya nakuha. Hopefully, actually, she won't get it. But I got it now. Paubo-ubo na rin ako ngayon. So, we actually have good news, guys. Lumalaki na yung family na. Don't put it back. Yung family namin. So, yung asawa ng brother ko, yung eldest namin, she just had a baby boy 2 days ago.
It's Mimi's baby here.
Yeah, you're the baby here. But, Tito Junak and Tita Edna, they just had a baby boy, King. Your cousin, King.
Mommy says here.
Yeah.
Mommy is like that. Mommy, yeah, mommy.
Yes. So, yung mama at saka papa ko, obviously, they're very happy, guys, kasi natataga naman ng kanilang apo. So, ilan na ba anak ng kuya ko, be? 5. Hala, 5. Hinay. Yeah, 5. Pang-5 niya yung ngayon last. And then, sa akin, kasi pangalawa ako, guys. Then, 2 sa akin, so 7. And then, my younger sister, yung si Mingay, Nanganak siya few months ago. So, isa, 8. Your hair. Don't take it off lang. So, 8 na ang apo ng aking mga, parents. Lumalaki na ang numbers. What would you like to do, anak?
Yes.
Hairs? You want it off? Don't get off lang because you will look like a witch. See? Look. It has to be tied up, okay? Gusto niya talagang...
Stop. It's my mini beach.
Hala.
It's from me beach.
Huh? Okay, I'll take this off as well. Okay, mura na kag-iring. Okay?
Mama.
Do you like it better? Do you like it better?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a weirdo, anak. I feel like it.
Mama,
Your hair is long now. Now, would you like some eggs?
here.
Would you like some eggs?
That one.
Ibang-iba talaga to sila ng ate niya kasi hindi ko lagi inom siya ng coconut water. Yung ate niya hindi bet ang coconut water. Siya ngayon, iniinom niya. Okay, we face this way because I'm worried that you might.
That one.
That one!
Take.
Stay there, Anna.
Oh my.
Oh, mommy.
Mommy.
Oh, you can have half actually, not.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Mommy.
Leg steak.
That's that one.
This one, I know you love it.
No.
We got lamb for Celine.
Mommy.
Alam niyo ba guys, nakalugay yung buhok ko today because nakaligo ako kagabi. Naka-chance na maligo si mami niyo. So, it was already like 10 o'clock, tulog na yung mga kids. And then naisipan ko, maligo na ako. Anuhin ko yung buhok ko. Laban talaga ang buhok. Guys. Kasi sobrang haba na yung buhok guys. Oh. So, niliguan ko kagabi. And then, fresh siya ngayon kasi kaya nakalugay siya. Diba most of the time nakaganon pulupot kasi hindi man nasusuklay. Pero ngayon, ayan, siya. Para makita naman siya ng araw eh. Naunsa man ang buhok eh. Taas pa naman ang tubo niya oh. Andiyan na oh. Taway!
Wait.
Come down, Kap. I'm already gonna go. Okay. You want dough. Mama's gonna make you lunch. Okay?
I want to.
You want to. You want to. Ang ating daddy Mike, he's working from home today. Pero pumunta lang siya saglit sa gym niya. Open, shut them. What's the date? Today? I'm waiting for you.
Carry.
Terry! Ayan you guys, bit-bit ang
Carry
kanyang
me.
Barbie dress. Pinagsuot ko na nga siya ng pink. Para
No Barbie.
Barbie pa rin.
Bye Barbie.
Yeah.
It's no Barbie.
Yeah, so you're wearing it, my love.
It's Barbie.
Pero bit-bit niya pa rin tingnan niya. Bit niya pa rin ang isa niyang Barbie. Ayun
Barbie.
yung pakawalan. Gusto ko niyang suotin eh. Sabi ko, huwag mo nang isuot kay. Nakasuot ka na ng dress na.
No.
Nak, ikaw na dyan ang Miss Costume, nak.
No. No way.
No, wait. Where are we going?
Ati.
Ate. We're picking up Ate.
Ati.
That's right. Where's Ate?
I know. Here. It's here.
School.
So,
Yeah. Ate's at school.
it's
And we will go pick her up.
really let's get a baby.
Yes.
It's a blue. This is hot.
Andito na si Ate Paris. We're just at the op shop, guys. Next to the grocery store. Tingin-tingin kung anong meron sila dito. Meron ako na bit-bit. Meron akong ganito, remember? Yung pink. But this one is from American Apparel. Size S. And $8. So we'll see. I think kasha naman sa akin to. Ito ang ating pa-outfit for today. Pack! Asan ng lakad mo, te? Kanina sa playgroup, tinanong nila ako guys kung playgroup lang ba yung pinuntahan ko or may something else today. Kasi aurang-aura si mami niyo. Sabi ko, hindi. Playgroup lang. Just for today. You know, why not? Diba? Ay, ano namang ang mga damit-damit kung hindi suotin.
I like this one.
That's a big key.
I'm gonna unlock.
Hindi tayo makatingin-tingin doon kaya ang mga bata ay what is that? Help! Wait, put it back, anak. Put it back, please, Ate B. Nak, look, she can walk. Heels. La. We are now at Woolies. Tingnan nyo ang dalawa pumasok ko. Kasabaan din ni karon. Tanawon pa. Alright, so we want to get something for tonight. We'll have sausages lang tonight. Yeah? Yeah, we need mango. See? Season na naman ng mango. Guys. Yum.
A few moments later.
We're home, guys. Oh my God. Alam ba? Sobrang nakaka-stress. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Kapag nag-grocery ako, nakasama ko yung dalawa, guys. Oh my God. Tumataas yung BP ko. Oh my God. I'm actually dizzy. Like, kung how many times na magsabi ako na, come here, don't go there, don't, do this, don't do that.
Yeah.
Stand next to mama, walk next to mama, oh my goodness. And Celine's starting to be like, I don't know if today, hindi lang niya nakuha yung saktong tulog niya, or it's, I don't know. She's just being like, that terrible tune na sinasabi nila. Pag akit namin dito sa taas, ay kanina, doon sa sasakyan pa kami, palabas, ayaw niya akong, open the door, pero ayaw niyang magpahawak sa akin, gusto niyang bumaba nang siya lang. Tapos ngayon, nung dito na kami sa, hagdanan, like, she plays kasi natatakot ako ba baka mahulog. Masakit na ako. Anyways, ito yung nabili ko doon sa op shop. So, yung pinakita ko kanina, ayan, yung skirt, purple. $8 for this one. And then, bumili na rin ako ng pang-partner sa kanya. And this one is brand new, guys. From Cotton On, size small. So, originally, guys, 20 siya. Tapos, $6 na lang. So, perfect. Paris. Cool.
Yeah, no, I agree. I
Oh
think.
my God.
I think. I'm happy.
I'm very large. Alright. So, pumunta kami ng bakery. Bumili kami nito. Tinatawag nila itong Madeline. Madeline. Ang tawag niya dito. Ayan. Umaan ako, guys, kasi minsan iwan ko lang, ha. Puso man sa guys, no? Guys, left side. So, masakit siya ba? Kaya minsan, especially kapag si Ate Paris, like, they are, like, pagkapabadlong ba? Nak, did you take the pencil lang out? We lost the pencil. Just the pen. Sabi ko sa kanya, can you be good, please? Kasi, masakit ang puso ko. Oh my God, natatakot na baka Diyos ko, Lord. May mga problema pa naman kami sa puso, guys. Family. Bumili ako nito. Hindi ko na ipakita. I got this fabric conditioner, toothpaste from Oral-B kasi naka-sale. Which one? The white one? I'm not sure, sweet. Maybe near the table. Hindi natin sa Paris ng sausage roll. Hindi naman sinaing lahat. Ito, smokies for later. Bili ako na. Got. Huwag dito Yakult. And yogurts. Yun yung flavor. Banana, mango, apple, oyster sauce, and we'll have this tonight, pork sausages, another yogurt, and then mais. Yung hindi panitan na mais, kaya mas barato. Another yogurt. Kasi, ano lang yung binili ko. Actually, punta ako dito sa this for dinner, but it doesn't happen na for dinner lang yung nabibili. May mga ano din. Give it to Mama, babe. Mama will sharpen it. Bili kami ng pencil, nawala.
Don't let Kevin
Oh,
influence you and
may naiwan pala dito sa bahay na ano, pero putol man, oh. Nak, where's the sharpener lang?
yeah, not because
Upo muna ako, guys, and then we'll get dinner. Dito pala na!
last thing you want
Anak!
is a QC
It's here.
stage because of
Upo muna ako. Kasi mukhang... kapag napifeel ko yun, guys, parang bumibigat ang ulo ko ba? Dance. Kasi kagabi, yan yung ginawa ko, yung mga clothes. May kailangan pa akong i-high dyan, oh. Ito naman, oy. They're gonna dance. La. Pagka-uwi namin, tinanggal niya ang kanyang hair, ano? Nagsuot siya ng kanyang pangsayaw, oh. Pinatanggal sila ng kanyang hair tayo. Mukhang trolls.